Amy Trong. I'm the founder of PARU Tea Bar. We are a small batch San Diego-based tea company, and we are doing a collaboration with Ann's Dry Cleaning.
My name is Chris Warren. I'm one of the owners of Ann's Dry Cleaning, which is a small batch gelato shop in North Park that's been open for about 3 months. Now, gelato we feel like is a subtle version of ice cream, and we feel like it pairs really well with tea because I think tea is really subtly beautiful. There's a lot of quiet notes in there.
And we thought gelato just makes a really great experience to customers that we want to bring through a palate tasting or even a tea tasting. ADC does a great job with taking their customers through a progressive menu, kind of like what we do with our tea tasting experience as well.
Ann's Dry Cleaning is really excited to partner with PARU Tea Bar on this collaboration. We're going to launch a full menu of tea-inspired gelato that will be coming out on September 22nd. And we'll be doing pre-launch tastings, private tastings for some of our most loyal fans, and maybe a couple giveaways too, so stay tuned.